Hi, hello everyone, my name is Irene and welcome to another vlog. I am currently having my daily matcha and spirulina latte, which I love so much. And as always, setting up my day on Notion, writing a to-do list. The to-do for today is actually quite long, so we're going to have a very productive day together. I have arranged a study/work together session via the Waves of Thoughts Discord chat, so I have to finalize some things for that. We're going to start in like half an hour. I also want to post some stories as well in the meantime. So yeah, let's get started and I really hope that you enjoy today's vlog. Okay. Let's go! Just finished the work session via the Discord chat and it was actually really productive, especially when you work from home and you don't go into an office or into a library to study surrounded by other people. It can be sometimes hard to stay accountable and motivated to do stuff. So this was actually a super lovely experience. I think we're definitely gonna do this again in the future. So if you didn't join this first round, DM me on Instagram and I'll send you the invite link to the Discord chat so you can join us next time. I did some prep for a YouTube video that's going up today. So I was preparing a thumbnail. I also did some posts for the Waves Instagram account. But I think now I'm going to take a bigger break before, I go back and do more work. Just had a very quick but very delicious lunch and had a little quick outfit change. I have to leave right now because I have a medical appointment, and then I'm gonna go onto Staples as well to do a little something. I will show you once it's done. But yeah, let's just go for it. I've just gotten back home. My appointment was actually super quick and then I went on to Staples, which I will show you in just a second what I did there. And then I just ended up also having a coffee with my mom outside and I'm back home. So here's what I did at Staples. A few months ago, I released a workbook called The Ultimate Guide for Your Self-Care Journey Workbook. This is a digital workbook which you can also print, and that is exactly what I did. I just printed it out and then binded it as well, just so it's super sturdy. And it is just a beautiful workbook, if I do say so myself, even though I'm a bit biased on that. But yeah, I'm really happy that I got it like this. But now since I'm back home, I have more work to do. I'm going to upload the YouTube video. I also want to post a reel on Instagram and then also prepare a newsletter to go out today. So let's get it going. The sun is currently setting and it is so beautiful outside. Even though the last few days in Portugal have been a little chilly, it definitely feels like spring is approaching and it's such a good feeling. I've been loving to take a few minutes out of my day every single day to watch the sunrise as well as to watch the sunset. It's just a really beautiful grounding practice for me. I'm almost done with work. I just need to finalize a few things and send out the newsletter, and then after that it's completely done. And then what I think I'm going to do is do a little workout. I may be feeling a yoga session, and then after that is just unwinding for the evening. It is almost 10:30 p.m. I am all ready to go to bed. I'm feeling so tired. It was such a long day. But I wanted to say a big thank you, especially if you've reached this point of the video. Thank you for joining me on this very productive day in my life. I really hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in my next video.